All right. Hi guys, my name is Katie or Kbdoesart, and today we're going to be texturing our pencil to look like this. So you guys can go ahead and open your pencil texture in Maya. It'll probably look plain, so let me get to that point. So you guys will probably just have this basically. So first things first, go ahead and click on your object and then do edit, delete all by type history, just to get rid of that construction history. And then click on Arnold and grab your sky dome for some lighting. So first things first, I'm going to go into our side view and I'm just going to basically choose, select faces and just texture them whatever color. So the tip of it is going to be black. So do assign new material, shader, and then standard surface. There we go. And then change that to black. And then you're just going to be going through and choosing all of your other faces. So I'll make these guys kind of like a beige, or kind of like that light color in the front for the pencil. And then these guys in the center are all going to be yellow. So go ahead and add another texture for our yellow. And let's see, that's a pretty good yellow. This little portion of our pencil is green normally, or sometimes it's silver. Totally up to you what color you want to make it. I'm going to make mine green. There we go. And then the last little bit is pink for our eraser. So that should be a fairly quick process, just getting them all on there. So just try your best. Over here, you can make two little rings using your multi-cut tool. And then these are usually like a light yellow or silver. Let's see, I think I'm gonna do silver. Okay, so you can go back into perspective view and then you can click 7 to see how your textures and your colors turned it out. If you didn't like the colors, you could change them now. For example, I'm not really loving that gray. So I think I'm gonna change the gray out. Let's find it here in my outliner. There we go. I think I'm gonna try for that light yellow. Oh, I like that a bit better. All right, that's about it for this guy. If you have any questions, please let me know. But that's it for texturing our pencil. So I'll see you guys for our next texturing tutorial. Bye guys.